Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. I have a blue pouch here. So, for those of you that know, the blue pouch means it is Chic Sparrow. Silica. So we have a little unboxing. From Chic Sparrow. Here's the warranty card, which you fill it out with the order number and the item purchased. You can see I have something small here. So, the first size traveler's notebook I ever bought back in like 2012, 2013 was a passport. And that's what this is. Can you hear that? This is the Chic Sparrow new design number 10 is what it's called. It has the cascade pockets here. It even has a spot here for a folio. And you'll even see here that the elastics go through here. They don't go through the back. So it's a whole new design. I've been using a passport size as a wallet for most of my traveler's notebook life. I've got all of my stuff in this one right here right now. It's got the 2 pockets and the secretarial pocket back here. I forget what this olive color is called. But one of the reasons why I got this is I wanted to see. I pre-ordered this last year. It's the common planner. They call it the compact full year common planner, where it has the months on 2 pages, and then it has the week on 2 pages, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and some extra notes. And then at the back of the book, after you get through all of the years, there's pages that have been numbered, and there's like 130 or so grid pages at the back. And this is supposed to fit. Now this is a folio slash let's see if it'll. It's supposed to fit, but I wonder if yeah, it feels like there's a little bit of glue down there. Now this fits really well in my old Foxy Fix. I don't know what I think of this. I can't get it in, and I'm gonna mess up the cover. I don't know where my bone folder is. I know it should fit because it's quite a bit smaller, but I think the texture of the back of the notebook, oh, there we go, kind of. Now this is the patina leather, which is kind of a firmer leather. I like the leather. There we go. And it's really smooth. It reminds me of the leather that the veg tan leather that Lady Falcon Traveler uses. It's nice, smooth. It's not the cleanest piece of leather I've gotten from Chic Sparrow, but that definitely happens. So it does fit in there. You'll see it fits in there. But, so this is a folio. So if you're using a big book like this, it was a little challenging to put in. So maybe if you had the plastic cover on, it might fit in there easier. I don't have one of those. This is my Foxy Fix, and you can see it because it's really, really floppy. It slides in here so super easy. See that? And this is a much floppier leather, and I kind of think these type of books work better in that than this. I've actually never had a Chic Sparrow with this cascade pocket. I always wonder if you can tell that they've thinned out the leather, but I wonder if they would have thinned it out a little bit more. Would that have helped it or not? But let's put what I've been using in here. So here is my monthly calendar. Here's my weekly calendar. This is one of my sketchbooks. And then the last thing I have is a Traveler's Factory zipper pouch. I've got like cards and cash and stuff in it. And then one of my grid inserts. Lila wants to see what's going on. And I've got a lot of stuff in there. You can see it's fitting in there just fine. And no excess. It's really pretty. You can see the beautiful stitching, the Chic Sparrow has their new logo. Very pretty. It's a very compact book. It's so soft. The undyed leather, it's like so soft and so smooth. Look at that. So yes, it's passport sized, but it almost looks like it would fit field notes. Here's a field note size that I've been using from Chic Sparrow. See the older code, and you can see mine's dyed, distressed. It used to be called a toffee, but then when they distressed it like this, it might have been called like a oh, who's that author that wrote A Farewell to Arms? Was it his name? I don't know. Hemingway? Is that what they called it? A Hemingway? I wonder how long it'll take this to get to that. Ooh. Interesting. I don't know what I think of the cascade pockets. It does add quite a bit of bulk to a passport. I kind of would have liked these types of pockets instead of the cascade. That's the one thing. I don't know. And it seems quite wide. But let me, come on. I always have a hard time with these snaps. There we go. So there we are. An incredibly old Chic Sparrow. This one I've had since at least 2017, I think. At least. And here's the 2024. Really interesting to see. I think I like the thinnerness of this leather. Well, we'll see what this looks like after a little bit of time. Okay, I just wanted to share a quick unboxing of the Chic Sparrow Patina passport in the new number 10 design. It is very, very, very cool. I'm glad that they're trying, you know, these new unique designs, and there's no pen loop, and so there we are. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.